Ever wondered if that seamless global financial platform, Airwallex, extends its reach to the vibrant Nigerian market? It's a question many entrepreneurs, freelancers, and businesses in Nigeria are asking, especially with the ever-growing need for efficient international transactions. We're talking about a platform known for its multi-currency accounts, international money transfers, and payment solutions that promise to simplify cross-border commerce. But does this promise hold true for those operating within Nigeria? Let's dive in and explore. For a long time, Nigerian businesses and individuals have navigated a complex landscape when it comes to international payments. Traditional banking methods often come with hefty fees, unfavorable exchange rates, and frustrating delays. This has led to a continuous search for more streamlined and cost-effective alternatives. Platforms like Airwallex, with their modern infrastructure and focus on digital solutions, seem like a natural fit for a market as dynamic and globally connected as Nigeria. The appeal is clear. Imagine managing multiple currencies, paying international suppliers, or receiving payments from overseas clients, all from a single, intuitive platform. So, what's the official word? As of now, Airwallex does not directly support businesses or individuals operating within Nigeria as a country where they can open an account. While Airwallex boasts a wide global presence, allowing users to send and receive payments in numerous currencies across many countries, Nigeria is not currently on their list of supported operating countries for account creation. This means if your business is registered in Nigeria, or you reside there, you wouldn't be able to sign up for an Airwallex account and leverage their services directly. This might come as a disappointment to many, but it's important to understand why such restrictions exist. Financial regulations, compliance requirements, and the complexities of local banking infrastructure often play a significant role in a financial technology company's decision to enter a new market. Expanding into any new country requires substantial investment in understanding and adhering to local laws, establishing partnerships, and building out the necessary operational framework. Does this mean all hope is lost for Nigerians looking for similar solutions? Not necessarily. While Airwallex might not be an option, the Nigerian fintech landscape is rapidly evolving. Local companies and even other international players are continuously working to bridge the gap in cross-border payments. You'll find a growing number of Nigerian-based platforms that offer multi-currency accounts, international payment gateways, and competitive exchange rates tailored to the local market. These alternatives are often designed with the specific needs and regulatory environment of Nigeria in mind, potentially offering a more localized and compliant solution. Furthermore, if you have a business entity or a personal residence in a country where Airwallex is supported, you could potentially utilize their services through that entity. However, this is a more complex setup and would require adherence to the regulations of that supported country, not Nigeria. It's crucial to consult with financial and legal professionals to ensure compliance in such scenarios. Ultimately, while the dream of directly using Airwallex in Nigeria remains on hold for now, the pursuit of efficient and affordable international financial solutions for Nigerians is far from over. The global financial landscape is constantly shifting, and what is not possible today might become a reality tomorrow. Keep an eye on the burgeoning Nigerian fintech scene, as innovation continues to drive new possibilities for seamless global transactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.